My name is Saar Levin and I'm the Infrastructure and Cybersecurity Team Leader at SodaStream International. SodaStream is a well-established company that exists more than a century. SodaStream manufactures machines for homemade soda. Our vision and goal is to influence the environment around us. Our headquarters are located in Israel and we have more than 4,000 employees around the world. 4 years ago, SodaStream acquired by PepsiCo. SodaStream manufactures millions of carbon systems and reusable bottles. There are many IT systems and applications that involve in production process. Ensuring that IT system is protected is top business priority, and the ability to recover them quickly is very important for us. Before moving to Veeam, we had 2 mini solutions in order to back up our infrastructure. Our RPO and RTO did not match our expectation. We spent a lot of money on different products. With Veeam, we back up more than 400 terabytes on-prem and off-prem to Microsoft Azure. Veeam provides a secure and reliable enterprise-ready solution, enabling our teams to quickly recover critical systems. Veeam One monitors our infrastructure, alerting the relevant team for any issue that can be resolved proactively before they impact our infrastructure. Veeam provides enterprise-ready backup to Azure for disaster preparedness and protect our Office 365 data so we can sleep easily at night. Veeam is an intuitive solution with fast backup and recovery capabilities, which allow us to focus, to produce great sparkling water and save the planet from plastic waste.